Welcome to BISP Solutions. I'm Sianchi Jain, and today we will see how to upload trial balance using the template. To upload trial balance, we have predefined template in our data management through which we will upload our data. So let's get started. I've created my Excel sheet which contains account, entity, and amounts. The negative amount shows the credit balance and the positive amount shows the debit balance. Now, as we are uploading trial balance to template, we will first download the template from our data management. Let's go to the application. Then we will go to data management. It's getting uploading. Under the data load workbench, we have the option of download template. From here, we will download the template of trial balance. We will click on trial balance. This is a trial balance file. We'll copy it and save it in our folder. Now this is how our templates look like. It has accounts, it has center. Center means the entity. You want to give any description, you can give any description. Current one, that is, we will provide here the amounts. So through data that I have in my Excel sheet, I will fill this template, and then we will do the DM procedure. Entities 101. Let's copy it. Amount is 90,000. Amount is 30,000. One triple 103. Copy it, and then we will paste it. Amount for third account is 80,000. Amount for, now we will paste the account 4. Amount is negative 40,000. We will copy the amount. Then our next account is 11,300. And an amount is negative 20,000. Let's copy it. Let's save it. Now we will go to our application to perform the process. We will go to setup tab. Source system will be file. Because our source is again an Excel sheet. Our target application will be Wins console. So we need not do anything. It's already been created. Now there is a change in import format. We'll go to import format, create the import format file. I will click on add. Let's name it as template trial balance underscore IMF. Then source is already selected. Target is also correctly selected. File type will be delimited numeric data. And then we will save it. In a normal scenario of data management, after creating the import format file, we used to map these accounts from source to target. But as we are uploading trial balance to template, we will not do any mapping in this import format. We will directly go to location and then create location. Template trial balance underscore LOC. Import format, we will give the import format file that we have recently created. Template TB. Then file is already selected. Functional currencies, entity currency, rest all will remain same, and we will save it. Now we will go to workflow. We will select our POV. Our location was template trial balance. Click on OK. Period, let's suppose take it as Jan 15. Category will be actual, and then we will click on OK. Now we will go to data load mapping and we will map the accounts. There is a change in data load mapping now. We will choose the like mapping. We will click on add and then we will give the star to star mapping. Rule name it as T1 and then we'll click on save. Data source is system generated, so we need not do anything. We will just click on save. Third is our entity. We will provide star to star mapping. We are providing star to star mapping because in this case, because entity and accounts are present in my template file. T2, click on save. Now, from currency, we will not provide like to star mapping. We will provide source value as star. And now we will define the target. Target will be the default value of my currency, that is entity currency. Or else I can provide the star mapping because when I create my location, it by default take currency dimension as entity currency. So I can provide star mapping here also. T3, it got saved. Now intercompany, we will click on add. Target value will be FCCs. We will provide its default value underscore no intercompany. Rule will be T5, T4. And then we click on save. Then movement. This is again system generated dimension. So we'll just click on save. Multi-gap is again system generated. product, click on add, source value will be star, and my target value will be no product. Let's provide the name as T5. We have done with the mapping. Now let's provide data load rule. We'll click on add. Let's name it as template tb underscore drl. DLR. Category will be actual. We will provide the import format. Import format will be template tb imf, and then we will save it. Then now here, after saving it, we will provide the template which we have created by providing the trial balance data. This is a trial balance. Click on OK. Trial balance. OK. And then we will save it. Then we will execute it, import from source, and then we will click on run. Okay. Then we will refresh it. Go to data load workbench. We could see the data which we have written in our template is showing in this staging area. Now we will export it. Export mode will be replaced. Okay. Our process has been completed successfully as we got a three golden fish. That means we have completed our uploaded our trial balance by using template. This was for today. Keep watching our videos, and for any queries, please reach out us at www.bispsolutions.com. Thank you.